going on, YouTube? Pipe Leisure here. I got a brand new cob that I'm trying out for the first time. Actually, this is the second time. I'm loving this cob. Winter storm Jonas is now upon us. It's been snowing here for about 3 hours. It started about noontime. And it's cold and it's getting really bad. Windy. Quick housekeeping. Smoking some Special Latakia Flake from our good friend Mr. Brian Doran. Oh, god damn it. It's freaking blowing. Beans 316. Thanks, buddy. I'm really digging this Latakia Flake. I just started this bowl up, so I can't really give you my first impressions on it yet. Need a little bit more time with it. Yeah, it's starting to get bad here. As you can see, the winds are really starting to blow. So this cob, I'm loving this cob. As you can see, it's got the has a acrylic wine-colored stem on it. Beautiful stem. And I'm going to dedicate this this cob strictly for our English blends. I'm not going to smoke anything else out of this. Here's the front of the house. This is actually video take 2. I just filmed this video about half an hour ago, and I filmed it on my phone, which is an HTC One Android. Piece of shit. I went to connect it to my MacBook because that's how I upload all my videos. And the software that I have, which I haven't had a problem with in the past, suddenly decides it's not going to work right. I couldn't get the video off my phone onto the MacBook. I tried and I tried and I tried. It just wouldn't work. So I was like, oh, looks like I'm going back outside. I'm going to film another video. So now I'm filming it from my iPad. So I don't want to be out here for too long because I don't want this iPad to get soaking wet. But yeah, it's really starting to pick up here. It's getting really windy, really cold. Actually, they changed the forecast a little bit. Jonas is going to push a little further north. That Canadian high is not keeping it down as much as we thought. So they upped our snow totals to about 10 to 14 inches was the last I heard. So we're going to get a little bit more here in Massachusetts. Even like southern Connecticut, they're gonna get some good snow also. Matches 860. He's a little further in the middle. He's kind of in the middle of Connecticut, so he might not be too bad. But I'm sure he's getting nailed right now also. Roddy Piper, Johnny D. All of our Massachusetts, Rhode Island guys, we're all getting nailed tonight. It's gonna get really bad. I don't like filming from my iPad. It takes shitty video for some reason. God damn it, it's cold. Front of the house. I live on a dead-end street. That's the end of the street right there. That's the top of the street. I tell you, this is not easy holding an iPad because iPad is a little heavy. My buddy Aaron's already been out on his quad. This is the woods right across the street from my house. He was just he has all kinds of paths all throughout the woods right over there. He was just out there a few minutes ago. Him and his son ride their quads out there. It's pretty cool. They built some really cool paths all through the woods. That clickety clank noise you hear is my flagpole right there. I took the flag off because it was getting all ripped up. I need a new one. But yeah, they're calling for 50 mile an hour, gusts up to 50 miles per hour tonight. Possibly even maybe a little higher. Which puts us in, I think, in almost blizzard conditions at times. I'd say this Special Latakia Flake is really growing on me. I'm liking it. But yeah, we're not getting hit as hard as like Virginia, Washington, D.C. They really got nailed. Brian Doran got like 2 feet. He's 316. He got really nailed. He sent me some pictures on Voxer. I was pretty amazed. Oh god damn it, it's cold. Just figured I'd give you guys a little check-in with the storm. See how we're making out here. It's gonna get really bad later on. Truck's starting to get a little snow on it. It just started picking up the snow. It just started getting heavy within the last hour. The winds are really picking up too. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back inside. I'm freezing cold. My hand is freaking... The hand that's holding the iPad is really... Oh god, it's freezing cold. So I gotta switch hands real quick. Probably do maybe another check-in later on. Maybe tomorrow morning. I don't know if you can hear the wind. It's gonna get bad. This is nothing yet. This is just the beginning. Yeah, so I'm gonna head on in. The wife and I rented San Andreas, so we're gonna watch that later, in a little bit, probably later on tonight. whenever she wants to watch it, I guess. It's supposed to be a good movie. We'll check that out later on. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back in. It's cold. Oh man. Let's go in here real quick. I'm gonna dry you guys off. Whew. Thanks so much, Brian. I really appreciate it. Whew. I can't even feel my hands. Alright guys, I'm out. I'm all wet. Headed back in. So cheers from the from Storm Jonas up here in Massachusetts. I'll keep you guys updated on the storm. Probably film something tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Later.